In this video, I will take you on an in-depth journey to see if the Skulta eye mask is actually the ultimate solution for a perfect night of sleep. We all know how exhausting it feels to toss and turn when light creeps into the room, so I decided to put this popular mask to the test. From the moment you pick it up, the first thing you notice is the incredible build quality. It features a deep molded design that ensures your eyelids never touch the fabric, which is a major win for anyone who hates that pressured feeling on their eyes. This contoured shape also means your eyelashes stays protected throughout the night. One of the standout features is the total blackout experience. Even in a bright room during a midday nap, this mask manages to block out every single sliver of light thanks to its adjustable fit and soft cushioning. The material feels breathable and cool against the skin, prevent the overheating that often happens with cheaper alternatives. While it might feel a bit bulkier than a simple silk slip, the comfort provided by the thick padding makes it worth the size. It stays securely in place even if you are a side sleeper who moves around a lot. Overall, it is a fantastic investment for your health.